Welcome to week 14 of the Industry Readiness program. This week deepens the discipline from week 13. You pick a second ticket and carry it through every stage: intake, spec, build, pull request, deploy, and a 14-day stewardship window, 13 minutes. The full life cycle: intake, clarify and estimate; spec, the brief and the story; build, code and tests; pull request, review and merge; deploy, flag and metrics; watch, 14 days. You own every stage, not just build. Handles are where tickets die. Intake done well has 3 numbers. Scope: count the acceptance criteria. If more than 5, split the ticket before you start. Estimate: hours, not adjectives. 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours. Anything larger is an epic and should be split. Owner: a named decision owner in the ticket body who says ship it, not vibes, not the team. A person. A scrappy working feature beats 5 polished layers that don't connect. Example: the add SLA timer ticket. Deliver a minimum version. Timer, 1 priority, 1 email. Do not polish the CSS, add multi-channel alerts, and leave the timer half-wired. Working end-to-end is the merge bar. On screen, the PR description template. 4 headings. Why, 1 paragraph on the user pane with the ticket link. How, bullets per architectural change, any new dependencies, whether it's behind a feature flag. Verify, checkbox list of steps a reviewer can take in under 2 minutes, plus the name of the automated test. Rollback, the exact command or flag toggle to undo. Revert: this commit is fine for code-only changes. Migrations need their own plan. The test plan reviewers trust. 1 specific user path, not test the feature. Specific environment. Staging, not somewhere. Named automated test, file plus case. Measurable expected P95 under 200 milliseconds over 10 runs. And critically, what you did not test. I did not regression test the legacy SMS path. It needs manual QA. Honesty in the test plan beats false confidence every time. Use a feature flag when the change alters user visible behavior. When rollout needs to be gradual at 1%, then 10%, then full. When you might want to kill the feature in under 60 seconds, when different tenants need different timing. Skip the flag when the change is a pure refactor with no behavior change. When the migration is one way and the flag adds complexity. When test coverage already proves safety. When the cleanup ticket has no owner. Flags cost complexity, only use when the safety buys back the cost. Deploy window discipline. Before, announce in the deploy channel. Ticket, commit, SHA. Expected impact, rollback command. During, application insights leave metrics open. Error rate, latency, traffic, 5-minute watch. After, any anomaly, comment in the deploy channel. Not direct message. Others may have context. Visibility beats speed. On screen, a real post-deploy note. Deployed date and time. Commit SHA. Feature flag state. Rollback command. 1-hour metrics. Error rate delta. P95 delta. A domain-specific signal like escalation email volume. Known risks. What the change did not touch. File this in docs/rollouts with your ticket ed as the file name. If anything breaks in the next 14 days, that file is the first thing you reach for. Dashboards, alerts, on-call escalations for your feature come to you, even on holidays. That is 14-day stewardship. Watch the error rate delta. Watch the latency delta. Watch user-reported bugs tagged with the ticket ID. Wake up to a page? Your pull request, your investigation. On day 15, hand off to the team, not before. When to revert. Error rate delta above 0.5% versus baseline for 10 minutes or more, revert or flag off. P95 latency delta above 50% for 15 minutes or more, revert or flag off. 3 or more user-reported bugs with the same cause, revert or flag off. Any on-call page about your code, investigate and often revert. I want to see if it recovers is not a plan. If a threshold is hit, revert now and investigate from the safe state. Week 14 deliverable. 3 artifacts. 1. I merged pull request with the why-how-verify-rollback description. Feature flag applied if there's a behavior change. 2. The rollout note with 1 hour metrics, plus known risks, commit share plus rollback command. 3. The stewardship log, 1 line per day for 14 days covering pages, complaints, and metric drift. Week 15 turns the lens. You stop writing reviews people want and start writing them the reviews they need. The takeaway from week 14. You own it for 14 days. Intake to watch, stewardship is the contract. Revert is a duty, not a panic. Coming in week 15, the BISTEC pull request review rubric with 5 layers and 2 severities. Writing reviews that land with quote plus rationale plus suggestion. Receiving reviews with acknowledged revised thank. Calibration when you're wrong in public. File today's training diary entry. See you in week 15.